Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
How to make money with their personal vehicles as rideshare driver by Carhelpout, local certified mobile mechanic auto car repair service near me, the untapped gold mine in your driveway. What if I told you that the car sitting in your driveway is more than just a way to get from point A to point B? What if it's actually an untapped gold mine, a flexible income-generating asset ready to be activated at a moment's notice? For millions of people, this isn't just a hypothetical question. It's a reality. They've discovered the power of rideshare driving, turning their idle time and personal vehicle into a consistent source of extra income. Imagine earning an extra few $100s this week just by driving around your own city on your own schedule. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a practical, proven side hustle that puts you in the driver's seat of your financial future. Many people are curious about rideshare driving, but get stuck on the numbers. Let's be clear and realistic from the start. Depending on your city, the time of day you drive, and your strategy, earning between 32 and 45 per hour during peak times is entirely achievable. Your personal car, which might otherwise be a depreciating expense, can become a powerful tool to pay off bills, save for a vacation, or build an emergency fund. The beauty of this side hustle is its incredible flexibility. You are the boss. Need to pick up your kids from school? You simply turn the app off. Have a free Saturday morning? You just turn the app on. In this guide, I'm going to give you the exact step-by-step method to get you from sitting on your couch to completing your first paid trip quickly and safely. My promise to you is simple. By following this blueprint, you can start earning real money with your car in as little as 1 week. Section 2, your 15-minute blueprint to rideshare success. Problem-solution ladder. For every common problem a new driver faces, I will provide a direct, actionable solution. The first problem is often just getting started. The solution is this guide, your roadmap. We'll cover everything from ensuring your car meets the requirements to understanding the necessary documents. We'll prepare you not just to drive, but to thrive, leading to better ratings and tips for you. Next on the ladder is the problem of maximizing your earnings. It's not enough to just drive around aimlessly. The solution is a set of proven strategies. I'll teach you how to identify peak hours, leverage high-demand events, and understand airport run procedures. Another significant hurdle for new drivers is managing costs. Your car is your primary tool, but it also comes with expenses. The solution is a proactive approach to cost management. I will show you simple but powerful ways to reduce your expenses. Most importantly, we'll demystify the tax side of ride-sharing. Table of contents. Part 2, Act 1, Getting Ready. Section 1, is your car ready for the road? Section 2, gathering your gear, documents, and driver essentials. Section 3, choosing your platform and maximizing your start. Section 1, is your car ready for the road? Before you can even think about accepting your first ride, the very first step is to ensure your vehicle qualifies. Generally, this means your car needs to be a 4-door vehicle that is less than 15 years old. It must be in good cosmetic condition, free from major dents, scratches, or other visible damage. Beyond the basic age and door requirements, your vehicle must pass a mechanical inspection. This isn't something to be afraid of. It's a crucial safety step. Now, let's talk about preparing the inside of your car. This is where you can truly stand out. Start by giving your car a thorough, deep clean. Vacuum the floors and seats. Wipe down all surfaces. Finally, consider a few simple, inexpensive additions. A multi-port phone charger and even a few bottles of water can make a huge difference. Section 2. Gathering your gear, documents, and driver essentials. Once your car is prepped and ready, the next step is to get your paperwork in order. You will need a valid in-state driver's license. You'll also need proof of vehicle registration and your personal auto insurance policy. The platforms use this info to run a background check. A dedicated phone mount is an absolute must-have. It keeps your phone secure and visible for navigation, letting you keep hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. Finally, consider a dash cam. Dash cams aren't required but can be useful for accidents, false complaints, or other disputes. Now that your car is ready and your documents are in hand, it's time to choose which platform or platforms you want to drive for. One of the most important factors when signing up is the new driver bonus or guarantee. Search online for the best available sign-up promotions or use a referral code from another driver. To help you get on the road within a week? Here is a simple checklist. Day 1. Research sign-up bonuses and start the application. Day 2. Schedule your vehicle inspection if required. Day 3. Give your car a thorough cleaning. Day 4. Complete your vehicle inspection. Day 5. Your background check should be processing. Days 6 and 7. Your accounts should be activated. Plan your first driving shift. Now that you are officially approved and ready to hit the road, the next big question is, how do you actually make good money? The most profitable periods are known as peak hours. Morning commute, 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Evening commute, 4:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. Friday and Saturday nights, 10 p.m. to 3 a.m. This is when people are leaving bars, restaurants, and clubs, and most importantly, when they need a safe ride home. Drive then to hit $32 to $45 per hour. Become an expert on your city's event calendar. Major concerts, sporting events, festivals. These are gold mines for drivers. The real money is when the event lets out. Finally, airports. Airport runs can be steady income, but have rules. Most major airports have designated waiting areas or queues. A crucial skill is knowing which trips to accept and which to decline. A request that is 15 minutes away for a 5-minute trip is rarely profitable. This is also where multi-apping comes into play. By running both Uber and Lyft simultaneously, you increase your chances of a closer request. Once you accept a trip on one app, immediately go offline on the other. Maximizing your earnings isn't just about surge and trip selection. It's about the in-car experience. A great passenger experience directly leads to higher ratings and, more importantly, more tips. Let me share a quick story. There was a driver named Mark who doubled his weekly tips. At the end of every ride, as the passenger was getting out, he'd say, "It was a pleasure driving you today. I hope you have a great rest of your day." Then he would wait a beat and add, "And if you were happy with the ride, tips are always appreciated through the app." It was polite, non-aggressive, and incredibly effective. Section 1. The hidden costs. Fuel, maintenance, depreciation. Earning $35 an hour sounds fantastic, but that number is your gross revenue, not your take-home pay. Start by using a fuel finder app like GasBuddy. These apps show you the cheapest gas prices in your area, saving 20 or 30 cents per gallon. Section 2. Your new best friend, the mileage log. If there is one habit that will make the biggest difference to your bottom line, it is meticulously tracking your mileage. I cannot stress this enough. For the 2024 tax year, the standard mileage deduction rate is 67 cents per mile. If you drive 20,000 business miles in a year, that's a $13,400 deduction. When you drive for Uber or Lyft, you are not an employee. You are an independent contractor. It is your sole responsibility to report this income and pay the necessary taxes to the IRS. If you're struggling to come up with cash for an emergency auto repair, you're not alone. That's why Auto Car Repair Loans offer a convenient way to gain quick access to the money you need when an emergency pops up. With loans up to $2,500 to $5,000. Visit carhelpout.com/repair loan to get started today. Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast and as-is condition anywhere in the U.S., either to stop foreclosure, avoid county tax auction, or unwanted house, go to boracina.com/carhelpout and get a relief under house burden. Don't forget, if your local small business or good service website needs more traffic exposure from Google, Yahoo, Bing, and other search engines, go to carhelpout.com/SEO. They can help you when it comes to local SEO and online digital marketing service consulting. A good rule of thumb is to set aside 20 to 30% of your net earnings each week into a separate savings account specifically for taxes. This ensures that you have the money ready when it's time to make your quarterly payments. After you have mastered the fundamentals, you can switch over to food or grocery delivery apps. This strategy, known as service stacking, lets you keep earning during otherwise unprofitable downtime. Learn to handle difficult situations. If a passenger is unruly or makes you feel unsafe, you have the right to end the trip early. Do it calmly, then report the incident to the platform immediately to protect yourself and your rating. For many, rideshare driving begins as a way to earn extra cash. After mastering strategies, some drivers consider making the leap to full-time. This transition should not be taken lightly. Can this income cover your living expenses, health insurance, retirement savings? If the numbers make sense, structure your life as a full-time business owner. We have traveled a long road together, from the initial question of, can I really make money with my car, to mastering the advanced tactics of a seasoned professional. The complete blueprint is now in your hands. The final step is to take action. I challenge you this week. Sign up for Uber or Lyft using a high-value referral code and drive your very first shift. Your road to earning $32 to $45 an hour during peak times starts not tomorrow, but right now. Turn the key, turn on the app, and start your engine. Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jumpstart, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.